Hey y'all, let's make my daughter's lunch today. So today I'm making her a chicken pasta, and this is the Italian chicken that I baked up last night. All I did was I put the chicken down inside of a casserole dish. I added some Italian dressing on top, and then I cooked it for about 30 to 35 minutes on 350. And then I cooked up this pasta this morning. We like the Rayo's brand. I'm also using the Rayo's brand for the marinara sauce, which I'm just sprinkling over top of the noodles that I just baked. And then I'm going to add the chicken on top of the marinara sauce, and then a little bit of Parmesan to finish it off. I added a Reese's cup and some Cantina Thin Crispy chips, a Nutella bar, and an apple cinnamon applesauce. I added a fork so we don't receive a complaint. Added some electrolytes for her game later, filled her Gatorade bottle up with water, and that is it, y'all. Y'all, let's pack my daughter's lunch today. So today we are keeping it very basic. She is getting a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I normally don't pack her sandwiches because she doesn't really care for sandwiches that much, but she agreed to take it easy on me and let the kitchen have a day off. Then I packed these Ruffles cheddar chips and some trail mix, which just has some peanuts and M&Ms, some flat pretzels. I feel like this container held the perfect amount of each. Then I filled her Gatorade bottle up with water, and that is it, y'all. Hey y'all, let's pack my daughter's lunch today. So today she's taking a Mike's Hot Honey Chicken Pizza. Here I am just cutting it up for her into smaller pieces. She ate the other half of it last night, so she has half left to take for lunch today. It is a bit hard to cut through because it was cold, but she can just heat it up in the microwave once she gets to school. Now I'm putting it down in her glass bowl, and then I'm going to pack that up and I'm going to stick it down inside of her lunchbox. Next, I packed her some extra toasty Cheez-Its, and I'm going to fill up both of the little containers with the Cheez-Its, and then I'm just going to pack that up and put it inside of her lunchbox. Then she asked for a Belvita Crunchy Bar. This is the cinnamon brown sugar one. I filled her Gatorade bottle up with water, and that is it, y'all. Hey y'all, let's pack my daughter's lunch today. So this morning I cooked her up some steak fajitas. Basically I just had steak, red peppers, green peppers, and some onions that I added in. Then I added in these Tostitos chips that she really likes. These are the ones with the hint of lime to them. People ask why I don't give her a dip or a salsa with these. She just likes them plain, so that's what I give her. I added in a cinnamon brown sugar Belvita Crunch Bar. I gave her some electrolytes because she has a basketball game today. I added a fork so we don't receive a complaint. I filled her Gatorade bottle up with water, and that is it, y'all. Hey y'all, let's pack my daughter's lunch today. So today I packed her some of our leftover Marry Me chicken and gnocchi soup. I added these Outback barbecue potato chips from the Good Crisp company. I got these from Whole Foods. They were actually pretty good. I may or may not have eaten half the bag. I packed her some trail mix. Then I packed her this French pudding dessert. She picked this out from Whole Foods. We always like to try something new, and she said this was actually really good. I packed an ice pack so it would keep the pudding cool, a fork and a spoon so we don't receive a complaint. I filled her Gatorade bottle up with water, and that is it, y'all. Hey y'all, let's pack my daughter's lunch today. So today I packed her a chicken quesadilla. I cooked the chicken in the crock pot on low for 6 hours. All I added was a pack of taco seasoning and a little bit of water to the crock pot. Then I added her a little bit of sour cream to a cup because she likes to dip her quesadilla into sour cream, and I added some ice packs to keep that cold. Not only to keep that cold, but to keep her yogurt cold as well. I packed her some of the Annie's snack mix, which has bunnies, pretzels, and breadsticks, and some trail mix. I filled her Gatorade bottle up with water, and that is it, y'all. Hey y'all, let's make my daughter's lunch today. So today I started by making my daughter some pasta, and now I'm just adding some of that Rayo sauce on top. We had some leftover Italian chicken from the night before and a little bit of steak, so I packed both of those up for her so that she could have those for lunch. Gave her some of these Outback barbecue potato chips, and I gave her 2 of these Back to Nature fudge stripe cookies. I packed her a fork so that we don't receive a complaint. I filled her Gatorade bottle up with water, and that is it, y'all.